Prada Papi. Ooh, sorry. Look, I match. Kind of. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mike and I'm a fashion freak. I geek, I luxury lover, shop like chic, cheddar, and hermes, whore, Chanel king, Cartier king, a Dior daddy, and now a proud Prada Papi. I think I did good. I think I did pretty good. I did pretty good for my first time. Prada Papi. Prada Papi. So, today we're going to be doing some Prada purchases from Paris. Paris, Prada Papi, proud. Proud Paris, Papa. Proud Paris, Prada Papi. Proud Paris, Prada Papi. Say that fast. Proud Paris, Prada Papi purchases. Proud Prada Papi Paris purchases. Proud Paris, Prada Papi purchases. Paris purchases of a proud Prada Papi. So if those of you are interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay, new to Prada. Not new to Prada. I mean, I've never really been, I like Prada. I've always known Prada. Obviously, Prada is just one of those brands that's like stood the test of time and like very like Gucci, Prada, Dior. Like it's just a very well-known brand. But Prada's clothes have always been tall and skinny for me. I do have a couple of Prada shirts that I like. They do have this shirt package thing that I really want. I do have a couple of things for Prada that I do like. So not that, but I don't have any Prada bags, and one Prada wallet, one Prada bracelet. I was going to Prada because my sister wanted me to get her a pair of those, you know, moccasin monolith boot things that everyone has, the chunky boot. Basically, first day I went to Prada, right, the one near Hermes on Rue Saint-Honoré, asked for the boot. They had it in her size. I said, can you hold it? He was supposed to hold it. He didn't hold it. Asked her if she wanted it. She said yes. I went back, sold out. They didn't have it. The guy that was helping me was gone, but I did get his contact info. He gave me his phone number, his email, and everything like that. So I did reach out to him, and I was like, hey, do you have it? He's like, no, but blah, blah. But he did show me some other things that I like, so I was like, I'll come back for those. Proceeded to go to 3 different Prada stores to try to find these boots. The boots were not available at any of the stores, were not available at Lafayette. Finally, super sexy, cough. Still sick. There were 2 pairs of them at Lafayette. I met this nice lady. She said one is on hold for her other client, but these ones are available, but they are the floor model. And I looked at them, they had all these scuffs all over them. I was like, can you clean these off? She tried cleaning off some of the scuffs, but some of the scuffs were really deep. I sent the photos to my sister. She said, no, I don't want it with scuffs. What's the point of getting it with scuffs? I might as well just get it here then. It's like a $300-400 savings, maybe. It was 920 euros, maybe 950 euros. 1250 USD. 1250 USD is like $1375, $1,400 versus $900, which is $1,000, and then minus the VAT, it's like back to 900. So it's 900 versus, what did I just say, 14? So it's like a $500 savings. She didn't want to get it if it was going to be whatever I just said. I said if you can text your other lady and see if she has them not available, then please get them. If she doesn't want them, then we'll take them. Because the size is apparently very hard to get size. So she texted her other lady got back to her and said she didn't actually want them, so I rushed back, picked them up and got them. Here's a video of an unboxing of them. I don't have them anymore, my sister, I already gave them to my sister, she's already wearing them. I did stay in contact with a really nice sales associate there who was super friendly. He was like, we clicked, he was like, I'm like, if you want to go out, I'll where you go. I was like, that's okay, I know where to go, but maybe we can go out anyway. Anyway, I went back to him and I was like, hey, what can I get here? I was like, I need to get a wallet for someone, and I need to get a wallet for my dad, I need to get a card holder for someone, and then I was like, I might as well get a Prada bag. You know, everyone's got those freaking reissue bags. They're all over the place. I really like them. Reminds me of middle school. Reminds me of girls in middle school with their little Prada reissue bag, and then also the crossbody one with the little thing, the like multi-pochette thing, which I'm starting to get obsessed with. And then he showed me some of the new bags that they had, and here's some videos of them and things like that. And I was like, ooh, what should I get? Should I get one of these new ones, or should I go with the classic reissue? Is from there's a reissue from 2000, a reissue from 2005, and I was like, oh, those are both good years. I both love those years, and it does remind me of 2000. It does remind me of everyone carrying that bag in 2000 and 2005. Everyone carrying that bag in 2000. I don't remember carrying the reissue with the strap in 2005, but I do see it a lot now. Like, I was watching Bling Empire, and Dorothy Wang was wearing it all the time, and like I grew up with her and that girl group's circle of friends. I'm not friends with any of them. They were like peripheral of my high school friends, but Morgan and all of them, and Brendan, Roxy. So I don't know, there was something about it. I was like, I kind of want it. So I got it. So this is what I got from Prada. I got the reissue in the black, obviously. They got the little tags on. This was 920 euros, which is still, it's $13.50 in the US as well. Pretty good savings. 920 is gonna be like 800 something. It's gonna be like, let's say this is 900 versus 1350, so 1500. So 900 versus 1500. It's like a $600 savings. There's a little munchkin, which I think is really cute. You can hang out here for right now. And it says 2000. It's got one little pocket inside. Super cute. But because I got that, I was like, I have to get this one too, because this made me a really proud Prada Papi, because I really like this one. So this is the reissue 2005 reedition. Reissue? Reedition. Reedition 2005. You get the little chain strap instead of the hoopy strap, which I do like because then it can kind of hang, or you can also take it off. And then it's got this crossbody thing, which is great because you know I love crossbody. So you can keep this down here. Don't know what I would put in here, but it's there in case you want to put something in there. Got a little pouch in here for little things. For little things. And it's like that and like that. And I really like it. Also, this thing comes off, so if you don't want to have this reissue thing. But also, you can hang your keys here, which, who doesn't love a good key hanger thing? I'm really excited about this one. This is actually my favorite purchase that I got from Prada. And then this, you can wear it if you want to wear it like that. But I just kind of like the look of the hang of it. And I do like this whole feel. But then I also got a card holder and a wallet. Card holder. Little Prada on the corner, 6 slots. And then also it folds open like this, so you can keep cash in here. It's kind of nice. So it's like a card holder money clip combo. Again, way cheaper here, and then wallet, same thing. Prada in the corner. Open wallet, regular men's wallet. This is a gift. I mean, I think I did pretty good. Prada Papi. Prada Papi. Prada Papi. I'm a Prada Papi. I'm a Prada Papi. Yeah, I mean, like, I'm really excited to use this. This is my most thing, because it's like nylon. It's good for every day, durable, kind of black, easy, throw it on and go. Which I think what it's for. It's more sporty, like on days when I don't want to use something that's nice leather. Which I'm gonna make one of these my everyday. I think one of these, or that the Chanel wallet on chain in the caviar with the gold. I think those might be my everyday outside of my yard that I will use every day. But like that's really big. I don't know. I have so many bags, guys. I don't know what to do with all these bags. I have way too many bags. Anyway, Prada Papi, part 1. I will talk to more about what fits in this and how I feel about it as I start using it. Prada. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button if you like it. Please share with your friends, family, hated, share it through enemies. I know your time is valuable. I know you're more special, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you. Bye.